In 1907, Leo Hendrik Baekeland invented plastic. Unless I'm very much mistaken, this invention will prove important in the future. Leo Baekeland wrote those words in his journal on the 11th of July 1907. He had invented the first fully synthetic plastic. He called it Bakelite. Since then, 9.2 billion tons of plastic has been manufactured, of which 6.9 billion tons has become waste and 6.3 billion tons never made it to the recycle bin. 5.3 million up to 14 million tons of plastic is dumped into the oceans each year. That's an estimate by Professor Jenna Jambek at the University of Georgia. More than 700 million marine species have been affected by plastic. United Nations Environmental Protection Agency is calling it an ocean Armageddon. Imagine 5 plastic shopping bags packed full with plastic trash, covering the entire coastline of the world. That's how much plastic waste there is. It's unclear how long it takes for plastic to degrade. Estimates are from 500 years to never. 23/9. That's the date of PHIST 2019 Conference, Expo and Workshop. See you on the 23rd of September at Hilton, Phuket. And the number 1 sustainability event to attend is PHIST, Phuket Hotels for Island Sustaining Tourism.